This literally is the largest product I have done an unboxing and review of. As you've seen in the thumbnail, this is the review of a motorized projector screen by a company called Vividstorm. They're known for their premium, high quality motorized projector screens. This particular model I have is the 100-inch model, and I'll tell you more about that. Before we get into that, my name is Sean. This is my tech channel where I do review, unboxing, and tutorials of techs and different gadgets products. So if you think you like content like this, you may want to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and when you hit the bell icon, don't forget to change that to all, because that's the only way you'll be notified for all my future videos. So like I said, this is the 100-inch model, and I think the screen goes up to 120 inches. It is motorized. Mine is in a black aluminum housing. They have this option in white as well. This is a regular throw projector screen. They also have screens for short throw projectors. They have white screens, black screens, and a lot more. And I'm gonna cover all of that with you, including showing some samples of the quality, the speed and sound the screen opens and closes, as well as different remote and functionalities of how you can open and close this projector. But before I get into that, I got bills to pay, so let's hear from the sponsor of this video, Manscape. So Manscape is very well known. You may have already heard of them. They have sold over 4 million products. Their iconic product is their lawnmower, which is a growing and body groomer. You can comfortably use this in sensitive areas because of their skin-safe technology. This thing also is waterproof, IPX7, I believe. It has a built-in rechargeable battery. It comes with a case that you can simply wirelessly charge this. It has a small LED/flashlight on it to help with better trimming and visibility when you're using this. I have a coupon code. All you have to do is just go to manscape.com/EnforcerMan and the coupon would automatically apply. Definitely check out some of their gift set that they have. So this is the perfect package that you get: the lawnmower 4.0, you get some consumables such as deodorant, you get a boxer, as well as a travel bag and things like that. And then they have their performance package. So at the time I'm recording this video, it's the holiday season, so they have their own coupon, and then you can take advantage of mine. And then some of these things become extremely affordable and a really good deal for you not to consider. So definitely check them out, manscape.com/EnforcerMan. Thanks again, Manscape, for sponsoring this video. Welcome back. So first, let's talk about the unboxing. Well, really about the shipping, because this is an unusually large box that will be sent to you. Number one, if you're buying it on Amazon and you're an Amazon Prime member, you don't pay for shipping. The way they package this thing, it's practically impossible for it to get damaged during the shipping. You have these hard corner protections on all 4 sides. It has a U-shaped foam around the entire housing, the aluminum housing. Once you go ahead and take it out of the box, just gotta be careful. Some of the small accessory boxes, because they're also white, may get shuffled and get lost in between some of the white foam. So take out all those accessory boxes. And then once you go ahead and take it out, this thing weighs about 61 pounds. So definitely get help from someone else as you're trying to carry this and move this around. But if you want, you can try to move it by yourself, but I definitely do not recommend it. The screen housing itself, like I said, it's about 61 pounds and you need 99 inches of floor clearance due to its length. And the housing is made out of heavy duty aluminum. Inside the box, you will get 2 remotes, one IR and one RF remote. You also get a charger to charge your remote. It's a simple USB cable. You also get an adjustment rod if you manually want to make any adjustment to how high the screen will go and stop. And then you also get a USB wireless trigger, which is a really genius and simple addition to this packet, and I'll tell you about that. Once you find 99 inches of floor clearance and go ahead set this where you would need it, then all you have to do is just go ahead, plug the power cable, and you are ready to go. There are essentially 3 ways for you to open and close the screen. The simplest one is using the remote. There's an up button, down button, and a stop button. It's very simple. You also have a switch at the side of the housing on the same side that you have the power cable and flip it up. It goes up, flip it down, it comes down, and in the middle, it stops. And the third way you can open and close this thing, which is really, really cool, you get this USB trigger. You can go ahead, plug this back of your projector, and every time you turn your projector on, this will send a signal and would automatically open your projector screen. And when you turn the projector off, it will send a signal and it will close the projector screen. So makes it super, super simple and convenient. And I absolutely love the addition of this trigger inside this box. Opening and closing this is extremely quiet and fairly fast. It takes about 25 seconds to open and about 25 seconds to close. And opening and closing this thing, it was more quiet than my manual screen that I had to open and close. So the way this screen opens and closed is you have two V-shaped brackets in the back that are responsible for opening and closing the screen. It also has a unique wire tension technology that helps having a wrinkle-free screen. So basically, once the screen opens up all the way, you have these two wires on the two sides that would pull the screen down, at least from what I can see, and then it essentially stretches the screen, and then you have a very beautiful wrinkle-free screen. Now let's talk about the screen quality, and what you should expect out of projecting movies on this thing. So the screen has a specially made fabric with 0.4 millimeter sound holes to give you flexibility to place your central channel speaker right behind the screen for a full immersive listening and watching experience. Finally, I want to show you guys some sample footage with a fully dark room, with a lightly lit room, and then with the picture quality during the daytime when it is super bright in the room. So this was the entire information I could share with you about my experience with this projector screen. When you are getting this projector screen, just make sure you're getting the right screen. Size obviously is one thing that is personal, but outside of that, there's some technical things you need to consider. Do you have a long range focus projector? I forgot the technical term. Do you have a regular throw projector? Do you have a short throw projector? And then do you want to go with white or black screen and things like that? I will drop a link down to some of the products down below. They're really good at responding to your questions if you need anything. So if you got a technical questions, you can ask on their Amazon page. And I've seen them responding to a lot of different technical questions that people will have. This was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what do you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.